Hi, Ted. Welcome to TELUS International. I am happy you could join us today.
Hi, Frank. I'm happy to be here. I have heard how your company has implemented technology in education and would love to see it for myself. In my company, we're still using books and binders, but they don't seem to be working anymore. Students are just disengaged and apathetic, not to mention the learning curve is huge. Why don't you tell us a little bit about how TELUS International uses e-learning?
Sure, I'll be glad to. In the past, our information used to be printed and filed in huge binders that CSRs had to read and study. This process was very time-consuming and tedious, and it oftentimes provided inaccurate information. As a result, we would have knowledge gaps amongst our CSRs that would not provide the very best service available. Here at TELUS International, we use state-of-the-art technology to deliver knowledge in a standardized and timely manner while providing an interactive and engaging environment. Our CSRs are constantly receiving updates and new information that they need to read in order to provide the best customer service in the industry. In order to do this effectively and to make sure we are relying the same information across many sites, we use e-learnings. With e-learning solutions, we can empower our CSRs and give them the ownership of their learning opportunities, allowing them to use the time that works the best for them, in their own stations, only a click away.
This sounds great, but what about people who have different learning styles?
You're right, not everyone learns the same way. Teaching adults requires many different resources and techniques, and e-learning solutions allow us to cater to many different learners. In our e-learning solutions, we're able to include videos, animations, comics, audio, and interactions such as Avaya Web.Alive, which are designed to engage, captivate, and create more interest and curiosity in learning. Catering to different learning styles also helps us reduce the learning curve and improve retention of the information. Among some of the other benefits we get from e-learning is the optimization of training modules. E-learning reduces training resources, trainers, training rooms, training material, etc., and the information is maintained up to date much more effectively online than on paper.
Wow! But where are the learning solutions housed? And how do you make sure that everyone has access to them?
Well, our e-learning solutions are housed in the LMS. An LMS is a learning management system, and this is a virtual library where all of our e-learning courses are housed and readily available to our CSRs.
I see. Does this mean that learners are allowed to share content between each other like they would on a regular library?
Of course, all the courses posted on the LMS can be accessed by the learners and viewed at any given time. The LMS also has forums, chat, and other communication tools where the users can share their best practices, tips, and knowledge bites. One of the greatest benefits of the LMS is the ability to track course completion, the time it takes a participant to complete a course, their course history, test scores, the answers in the evaluation, and close skill gaps among CSRs. The LMS has also proved a valuable tool for our organization since it allows us to create surveys in a centralized place and allows for easy distribution amongst the people that need to take it. Surveys allow participants to express their opinions regarding the e-learning solutions available to them. This is great for tracking the effectiveness of the content your CSRs are viewing. We have also utilized this feature to create surveys regarding new processes, incentive plans, and even new products the client has launched.
This sounds like a revolutionary tool, but who manages this library? Is there some sort of librarian?
I'm glad you asked. Let me introduce you to Sarah, our LMS administrator.